Hey guys, today I will tell you how to transfer your stocks from Robinhood to M1 Finance.
First, create an M1 Finance account matching your Robinhood account type, usually a taxable account. From the M1 Finance homepage, tap the person icon in the top right corner, navigate to the support section in the menu that appears, scroll down to find brokerage and retirement account transfers. Select steps to transfer another brokerage account to M1 Finance. Before starting, note that Robinhood charges a $75 fee for outgoing transfers. Ensure you're opening a taxable account on M1 since that's what Robinhood primarily offers. You'll need your most recent Robinhood statement PDF for the transfer process. Click Get Started to begin the transfer, which involves uploading your statement and entering additional account details. The transfer typically takes several business days to complete. During this period, avoid trading on either platform to prevent complications. I've created a detailed setup guide for M1 Finance that are linked below. This method preserves your investment positions without triggering taxable events from selling.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.